So this is a quick tutorial on determining takeoff distance using our takeoff distance over 50-foot obstacle chart. I guess it would be page 4 of our performance packets. And we've got an example. I'm just going to use their data. So you can see all the data they've put in here at the bottom. They've got a pressure altitude, a temperature, they've got a weight, a takeoff weight, 2,094 pounds, and a headwind component. So they determined all that information prior to using this chart. This first box is pressure, altitude, and temperature. So essentially it's a density altitude box like we see on the beginning of a lot of our different performance charts. So all they're doing here, as you see from their lines shown that they've right here on the chart, they've got 15 degrees Celsius, so they start at 15 degrees at the bottom, and they go up till their pressure altitude. And you can see the pressure altitude lines there. So they go up till they hit their 0 feet pressure altitude, and then they go straight over to the right, straight across, as you can see there, to the next box. The next box accounts for the takeoff weight, and in their case, they were just under 2,100 pounds. So the weights are up top. We've redacted all the incorrect units down here. So they were just under 2,100 pounds. And as you can see, when they start this box, you can pin your plotter like they would have done, or it's really easy to use, and then parallel those guidelines coming down until they hit their weight, which is exactly what they've done here. Then we can go there and we can pin our plotter and go straight across again, just like they did there, to start the next box. So they follow the lines down until they hit their weight and then go straight across. The next box is the winds, and it works the exact same way. They had a 10-knot headwind, so you can see they start here and they follow again the guidelines provided. We can parallel those and go down to they hit their wind velocity for headwind, which is going to reduce the distance, and they stop there. When they hit that point, they once again go straight across, and we can go over to see we're somewhere between 1,200 and 1,400 feet, just over 1,200 feet here for our takeoff distance over a 50-foot obstacle. Keep in mind that there are some stipulations that these numbers do assume. We talked about them in class, a level, dry runway. So there are some, limitations to this data. But we can see also over here their takeoff distance from this example, 1312. For the class and test purposes, if you're within a few hundred feet, you're going to be okay. I just wanted to show you guys how to use this chart. The landing chart works in a very, very similar fashion.